So, I will say this. These microphones are pretty damn good for what they are. And this is kind of annoying, though, how they got that. So, this one's been dropped or something, but I don't know if the new ones still use the same thing. I think basically what they wanted you to really do, leave this part over here, and then like plug it in here. Something like that. Anyway, I picked up some other microphones today, so I was going to show you guys those. One of them, I think, is probably going to be pretty good. There's a lot of stuff at the thrift store. There was a nice Tascam digital workstation. It was like $29. Pretty reasonable. It was cheaper than this damn mixer I bought here. Damn mixer was overpriced, but some of the stuff that just pops up, man, it's just nuts. Like finding these for $8, absolutely crazy. I got a couple of different things today, but here's another Fender guitar cord, $249. These are really nice chords. I like them. But not impossible to find other chords of that quality, but those just for $249 you can't go wrong. So this is a CAD. It's called a CAD. e100². Something like that. So they put the price over it. So power on and off, high pass, pad, and then I think this is a special mount. I'm not sure if it's a special mount or not. This one's not in the greatest of shape, but price is right. I don't know, I've seen a couple of these different things. This is plastic. I guess it's just like a holder. I'm not sure. You would probably put this on another type of holder. I don't know. I'm not really sure how this was supposed to be. Anyway, supposedly these sound quite good. So I don't know. We'll test it out. I don't know what the heck they got going on here with this thing. It's really strange. They had a little bug in here. And there it goes. It's like a baby moth. Just what I want. A lot of times when they get stuff like this, they put a crazy price on it. So I'm really surprised that he priced it like this. But I just took that thing off. I don't know. I guess it's a regular microphone connector right here. Seems like a strange mount for sure. Doesn't look like it's ever been hooked up to anything. And then the other thing I got is this Scarlett, which is kind of cool. Go ahead and remove that. I've got a couple of these from like cheap Amazon stuff. They don't work real well. Scarlett Studio. I've got a couple of Scarlett. I got a 2i2 and a Scarlett Solo or something. Anyway, this is just going to be a microphone, cardioid microphone. And then there was this on it. So that was kind of cool. So I'm going to test it out and see how it sounds. I'm running a microphone kind of similar to this, but it has a USB on the end of it. It actually sounds okay. But the Blue Yeti is probably better than everything else I've tried so far. So, anyway, Just a couple microphones.